how to add a profile picture in WhatsApp. This tutorial shows you how to set or change your profile photo on WhatsApp. First, open the WhatsApp application on your Android device. Next, tap on the three dots in the top right corner to open the menu. Following that, tap on Settings from the drop down options. Now, you'll see your current profile picture or a blank circle at the top of the settings page. Moving forward, tap on your profile picture or the blank circle to access profile settings. Afterwards, tap on the camera icon or edit icon that appears on your profile picture. In addition to that, you'll see options to either take a new photo right now or choose from your gallery. Subsequently, if you prefer to use an existing photo, tap on Gallery or Choose from Gallery. Moreover, browse through your photos and tap on the image you want to use as your profile picture. Afterwards, you can adjust the crop and positioning by pinching to zoom or dragging the image. Then, once you're satisfied with how it looks, tap Done or the checkmark icon. Within seconds, your new profile picture will be uploaded and visible to all your WhatsApp contacts. Alternatively, if you want to remove your profile picture, tap on it again and select Remove Photo. Once removed, your profile will display a blank default avatar instead of a photo. And that's it. If this profile picture guide helped you personalize your WhatsApp, give it a like, subscribe for more WhatsApp basics, and enable the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.